It's Chriso. How you doing? This has been a good morning's work. I've got a good little helper helping me take all the rubbish out. Usually I do it myself, but this is a bit of a biggie, and I'm sort of getting on a bit, so it's time to have a bit of a hand when you do stuff like this. Anyway, I'm gonna jackhammer up the floor. I don't quite know what to expect. There's a bit of timber, there's tiles. Anyway, I'll start with the shower. I was talking before about this dampness. This shower, whatever you call it, what do you call it? The shower anyway. That's been leaking. It hasn't been done properly. In the morning I'll take out this vanity because then I can turn off the water tomorrow. So I'll start on this, jacking up this floor. And then I'll cut all my screws and nails and that sort of thing. I won't try and unscrew them all. It's better just to cut them off with your grinder. So I'll hook into that next. But this, you know, like, how's that for Bodgy Bob? That is ridiculous. Anyway. Is this going to be a beautiful bathroom when it's done? I'll tell you. Hopefully, I can show you all sorts of little tips and tricks and that sort of thing. Let's see what we got here. Where's my muffs? I don't wear muffs very often, but with the jackhammer I do. My God. Nothing's been done properly, eh? That's wicked. Look at this. Ah! Oh, Bodgy Bob. Now that would have to be the worst hob I've ever come across. What do we got here? We're going through the floor. Boy. That's a shocker. I'll be going over it Oh, that looks a bit spongy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, there you go. So there has been a leak. There has been a leak in the floor, people. But that's all right. It's not a hugie. I've had worse. I've come across worse. I've done worse in my tiling career. Get a load of that. What a shocker. Liam, look at this. No floor, mate. Podgy Bob throwing a bit of dirt into the cement to make it go further. This will come up pretty easy. What, mate?
Can you spin around because the hole? Because if you do that, are you going to fall?
What?
If you take that out, isn't that going to fall down?
I don't know.
Yeah. Sorry.
Are you worried?
Yeah. Cause yeah. Sorry. Yeah. I just don't want you to. Where's the cord? There.